welcome students on online class for the subject physics. Today we have seen about physics practicals. In this physics practicals, first we want to study about experiment number 1. The name for experiment will be current sensitivity. In this experiment, first we want to study about the aim for experiment. Aim for experiment is to determine the current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer. We say that MCG. So, for this determination of current sensitivity, we have seen apparatus for the experiment. In this experiment, the apparatus which is used as a moving coil galvanometer. Moving coil galvanometer. Next, cell or battery. Then plug key, either one way and four-way keys. Then it consists of high resistance box, ammeter, which is measured in microammeter or microampere, and galvanometer. Connecting wires. These are the apparatus which are used in the experiment current sensitivity. So, for this experiment we can use a formula. S is equal to theta upon Ig, where S is current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer. Theta is deflection of galvanometer, and Ig is current passing through galvanometer. The principle which is used in this experiment will be sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer is directly proportional to the deflection in moving. Let us see circuit diagram. Circuit diagram consists of E. E represents cell battery. K represents single way key. K dash represents four way key. Capital G represents galvanometer. RB represents resistance box. Mu A, it represents microammeter. Here is cell. Then we can see single way key. Then we can see resistance box. Then we can see four way key. Then we can see galvanometer. And lastly we can see microammeter. And for seeing the connections, stretch the wire. All wires are stretched, and then we can connect the wires. First of all, the positive terminal of a cell or of a battery is connected to resistance box. Negative cell is connected to single way key, and then from single way key the wire is connected to one terminal of four way key. Here the resistance box is connected to positive terminal of microammeter. Negative terminal of resistance box is connected to one terminal of four way key. Then the galvanometer is connected check the connectivity. See here. Again we can check the connectivity. Cell is connected to resistance box. Resistance box is connected to microammeter. Microammeter is connected to four way key. Single way key is connected to four way key. And then across the two terminals of four way key, galvanometer is connected. And then we can perform the experiment. EMF of a given cell, it is 3 volt, and resistance of galvanometer, it will be 60 ohm. Tell that will be 60 ohm. Then we can perform the experiment. First of all, close the key. Before performing experiment, first of all, keep resistance box 7000 ohm, that is 5000 and 2000 ohm can remove, and then close the single way key. What happened? It shows microammeter reading. See here, microammeter reading shows 320 and 320, and galvanometer shows the reading of 24. Deflection will be 24. If we keep the 8000, see here, 5000, 2000 and 1000, 8000, then microammeter shows the reading 280 and galvanometer shows reading of 21. Again, remove the resistance of 9000, that is 5000, 2000, 2000. So microammeter shows the reading for 250 and galvanometer shows a reading for 20. Here 20 is written, and finally when 1000 ohm is removed, so it becomes 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 2,000 and 1,000. So that microammeter shows a reading for 230 and galvanometer shows the reading for 18. See here, so reading will be obtained for 320, 24 division deflection is there, for 280, 21 deflection is there, for 250 microampere, 20 division is deflection, and for 230, 18 deflection is shows by galvanometer. Then we can perform the calculation by giving the reading from experiment. So first of all, here we can find the current in ammeter. The current in ammeter, it will be 320 into 10 to the power minus 6. This current, it will be 280 into 10 to the power minus 6. Here current will becomes 250 into 10 raised to minus 6 and 230 into 10 to the power minus 6. So we can calculate the current sensitivity S. See here, in this way, first of all, we want to find the sensitivity by calculation. So here, if we can calculate S1 is equal to theta upon current, that is 24 upon 320 into 10 to the power minus 6. So first of all, 0 can be neglected or 0 can be cancelled. So it becomes 24 upon 32 into 10 to the power plus 5. Then we can use 8 for the 32 and 8 3 the 24. So here 3 upon 4 into 10 to the power 5, which becomes 0.7 for the 28, 2 is remaining, and 7 5 the 4 5 the 20. So it is 0.75 into 10 to the power 5, and so that current sensitivity S1, it becomes 7.5 into 10 raised to 4 division per ampere. So we can write here first, that will be 7.5 into 10 to the power 4. Again, the second calculation will be if we can find out S2. So S2 is equal to theta upon I. It will be 21 upon 280 into 10 to the power minus 6. So again we can remove a 0, then it becomes 21 upon 28 into 10 to the power 5. So if we can divide 7 3 the 21 and 7 4 the 28. So here it is 3 upon 4 into 10 to the power 5. If we can divide 4, then its answer will be 0.75 into 10 to the power 5, which becomes 7.5 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So for second reading, the calculation in observation table, it will be 7.5 into 10 to the power 4. Again, if we can calculate S3, so here S3 is equal to theta upon I. Then we can find out theta upon I, which is 20 upon 250 into 10 to the power minus 6, so that it becomes 0 0 get cancel, and so here we can write 2 upon 25 into 10 to the power plus 6. Again, if we can divide 2 by 25, it will be 0 point. It becomes 20. So again, if we take 0, it becomes 200. And so that 25 into 8 becomes 200. So here 0.08 into 10 raised to 6. If we can shift the decimal point, it will be 8 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So the third sensitivity becomes 8.0 into 10 to the power 4. And lastly, if the sensitivity for fourth reading will be S4, it will be theta upon I. It gives 18 upon 230 into 10 to the power minus 6. So here 1 0 can be removed from minus 6. So it becomes 18 upon 23 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here there is no perfect division, so we can use logarithm. So here 18 upon 23 into 10 to the power 5. So by using logarithm, first we can write the characteristics for 1 8, that is 1 point, 2 3, that is 1 point. So we can use logarithm. For 18, here 18, it will be 2553. The log will be 2553, and so that we can see 23. For 23, log will be 3617. If we can subtract 7 from 13, 6 will be remaining. Subtract 2 from 5, 3 will be remaining. Subtract 15 from 6, 9 will be remaining. Subtract 12 from 4, 4 from 12, 8 will be remaining. And subtract minus 2 from plus 1. So it is bar 1. Take antilog of 0.89. 0.89 in 3. So 0.89 in 3, that is 7816, and is in 6 it is 11. So 16 and 11 becomes 27. So that here 7.8 7.27 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power 5, and therefore the sensitivity becomes 7.827 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So we can take here the fourth reading. It has the observation table, that is 7.827 into 10 to the power 4. So we can calculate here mean sensitivity. So mean sensitivity S is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 upon 4. If we substitute the values of S1, S2, S3 and S4, so we can calculate the mean sensitivity. So the mean sensitivity S is equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7.5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 8.0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7.827 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 4. So here 10 raised to 4 will be common. So it is 7.500 plus 7.500 plus 8.000 plus 7.827 bracket out of bracket 10 raised to 4, which is common, divided by 4. If we can add, so that here 0.827 and here this, first of all we can add 27, 0.8, 0.5, that is 13 and 0.5 is 18. So 8 is there, point 1 is remaining, that is 8 becomes 16, 7 becomes 14, 16 plus 14 it is 30.827. So if we can divide by 4, so here into 10 to the power 4, so 4 1 the 4, 4 7 the 28, 2 is remaining, point 28 is there, 7 4 7 the 28, so 2 is remaining, 0 becomes 27, 4 6 the 24, 3 is remaining, becomes 30, and 4 7 the 28, 2 is remaining, becomes 20, and so that 4 5 the 20. So answer will be 7.70675 into 10 to the power 4 or 7.707, because greater value will be there into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So here the sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer, by using the calculation, it will be 7.707 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So here we can write the result for the experiment. So first of all we can write current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer, or current sensitivity of MCG by calculation. It is 7.707 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. But we can also find out again current sensitivity. Of moving coil galvanometer by graph. By using graph we can find out current sensitivity. So if we plot a graph of deflection against current in galvanometer, see here, draw two perpendicular lines. The two perpendicular lines are meet at origin O. Here vertical line represents y-axis. On y-axis deflection is there, which is in division, and on x-axis current is there, which is in microampere, is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. So first of all we want to write the scale of the graph. If we can write scale, on y-axis deflection is there, on x-axis current is there, on y-axis deflection theta is there, so 1 centimeter is taken as 2 division. So here 2 division, 4 division, 6 division, 8 division, and this is 10 division. Against 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 division. So here 20, here 21 is there, between 20 and 22, 22, and here 24, again 26, 28 and 30. These are represented on y-axis. On x-axis applied current through galvanometer, means Ig, is there, which is 2 centimeter is equal to 50 microampere, or 1 centimeter is equal to 25 microampere. See here 25, and here 50, 75, here 100, 125, again 150, next 175, again 200, next 225, again 220, 250, next 275, again 300, next 325, again 350, next 375, lastly 400 microampere. This is the representation of scale. See here, when we see the readings for the experiment, and the readings for the experiment, it will be 320. So here 300 and 350, there are 20 lines. So 4 line it carries 10 microampere current, means first 4 line it will be 310, and second 4 line it will be 320. So here it is 320, means after 300 eighth line represents 320 microampere. Here before 300 and 250. So 250, the 10 lines, it represents 220, 275. Again 2 lines, so it represents 280. The third point on x-axis will be 250. Again before 250 and 200, so we can show 230. So first 4 lines represents 210, second 4 lines represents 220, 10 line represents 225, again 2 lines represents 230. Here we represent 4 coordinates on x-axis. Again 21, 24, here 20 and 18. The 4 coordinates are there. We can match the 4 coordinates. For 320 microampere, 24 divisions are there. So here 320, 24, so the point is appear here. Again for 280, 21. So here 280, 21. The point is appear. Again 250, 20 is the deflection in moving coil galvanometer. And lastly for 230, here 18 will be the deflection in the galvanometer. So if we draw a straight line which passing through origin, see here the 2 points must be come in straight line. If we can draw a straight line which passing through origin, then we can find out a slope. For finding slope, here the 2 coordinates on y-axis and x-axis, the coordinates are 24 division and 320 microampere. Here the coordinates are 21 division and 280 microampere. So that we represents on y-axis 21 represents y1, 24 represents y2. On x-axis 218 represents x1 and 320 represents x2. So for finding the slope of graph, see here slope of graph having formula that represents S, which is equal to theta upon current. Theta is on y-axis, current is on x-axis, having formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Substitute the values of y2 and y1. So y2 is 24, y1 is 21. So 24 minus 21 divided by x2 is 320. 320 minus 280. The current in microampere. So if we can subtract, it is 3 upon 40 microampere. That becomes 3 upon 40 into 10 to the power minus 6. 0 is removed, so it becomes 3 upon 4 into 10 to the power plus 5. If we divide 4 to the 3, so here 0.47 the 28, 2 is remaining, becomes 20, 4 5 the 20. So 0.75 into 10 to the power 5. So here by shifting the decimal point, so sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer, it becomes 7.45 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. So we can write the result. Current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer by using graph. It is 7.5 into 10 to the power 4 division per ampere. Lastly, we have seen precautions can be seen. So first, all the connections are tight and all keys in resistance box makes tight. Second thing is precautions for experiment to determine the current sensitivity, that is reading for galvanometer and microammeter must be taken as with parallax. These two precautions are given to perform the experiment for determination of current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer. See here, for your convenience asked for oral examination. It will be number 1. Define current sensitivity of galvanometer. Current sensitivity of galvanometer. So the answer for this question, it will be current sensitivity of galvanometer is a ratio of deflection in galvanometer to the current passing through galvanometer. That is S is equal to theta upon Ig. where theta is deflection and Ig is current passing through galvanometer. This is the answer for the question, define current sensitivity of galvanometer. If again a question will be asked like this, state the factors on which current sensitivity depends. So we know that the principle for moving coil galvanometer, current passing through galvanometer is directly proportional to the deflection in galvanometer. So here we can take an as I is equal to C upon NAB into theta, because bracket term C is restoring torque per unit twist, N is number of turns, A means area of coil, and B is magnetic field induction. By using this formula, we can take an as I upon theta equal to C upon NAB. So by reverse or reciprocal, here theta upon I is equal to NAB upon C, and therefore sensitivity S is equal to NAB upon C. So we can take an as the factors means sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer depends on number of turns of coil, area of coil, magnetic field induction of coil, and restoring torque per unit twist. And this is the answer for which factors on which current sensitivity will be depends. So using this formula, S is equal to NAB upon C. The question third, it will be how can the current sensitivity increases? If we can use the formula S equal to NAB upon C, how? I is directly proportional to theta, I equal to C upon NAB into theta, I upon theta equal to C upon NAB, theta upon I is equal to NAB upon C. So how increases? The answer for the question will be when area A of coil, magnetic field induction, B and number of turns of copper wire will be increases. See here, the numerator term will be increases, number of turn, area and magnetic field will be increases, then sensitivity is increases. Again, if restoring torque per unit twist, if restoring torque per unit twist is decreases, then current sensitivity increases. Means for increase the current sensitivity, number of turns, magnetic induction and area, number of turns N, they are increases, and restoring torque per unit twist means C is decreases. So current sensitivity will be increase. This is the experiment to determine the current sensitivity of moving coil galvanometer.